All right, guys, got the single most disgusting job you'll ever do, and that is emptying out a grease trap. Now, this one is full of a bunch of solids simply because the very bottom has rusted out, and so we're going to need to replace this, but it's just pretty much all solids in here. And so anyway, we'll be cleaning this thing out. I'll spare you some of the details, but again, that is definitely no fun to look at. So anyway, don't envy me for this job here, but stick around, you'll see how it comes out. Okay, so as you can see, this is definitely just a bunch of nasty looking solids there, and it's going to be infinitely better rather than trying to pump that out. So that bottom is rusted out, as you can see, and so I'm just going to use a little spade shovel here to get the bulk of this out, and then we'll worry about cleaning it up after the fact, and then getting a replacement done. But this one was probably long overdue for a cleaning. Well, not a cleaning, but a replacement. And as you can see, shovel is by far the best choice here. All those solids, and this is only a 50-gallon interceptor, but it is full of nastiness. So anyway, I promise you don't want to switch jobs with me right now, and be glad that you cannot smell what's coming through right now. So anyway, I'll come give you more progress here in a second. Okay, so progress here. We've definitely gotten rid of a lot of the solids. You can see that's actually something we can call in a pumper and pump that out. So we'll get to the bottom of this, but yeah, that layer was about 10 inches thick of just nothing but solids. And of course, this is a restaurant, so it'd have been food waste. Doesn't make it any better, right? That's maybe worse, I don't know. But nonetheless, that's definitely getting the solids out of there, getting down to the liquid so we can actually pump that and get this thing out of here.